Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna make it real. You got me in my feelings. Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna.
What's up guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we will take a look on the Cybpe token. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, and let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own, study this platform, take your time, and if you think you can generate better return in the future, so you can join that. Cybpe. I provide you all the information, and next you can see here the details about the preset. So you can see here the presale will start in next week, and you can see here they're outstanding 6% affiliate program promoter sale. So hope so you will enjoy that, and next I will show you how basically you can play the game, and their characters, each and everything is very important. So yeah, next I will show you the detail about the playing. So here we go, you can see here the details are there and their characters, so each and everything is quite amazing, and how basically you will play the game. Yeah, so you can see here the details are there. I will show you how basically you can play the game.
Say they're doing wrong, but we know they're not.
Okay, this is the way how you basically play the game. So I will tell you all the information and provide you all the details, and if there's something missing, so guys, please don't miss to join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the details. So hope so we'll keep in touch with you, the further updates for Cybpe, and all the informations are there. So you can join the community. Once again, I'm requesting to all subscriber and investor community, because it's really important to join the community. You will be able to get more information regarding Cybpe and their upcoming updates also. And when you click on the Instagram link, so you will be able to get all detail, all characters, and each and everything will be there. So hope so you briefly understand, guys. So let's move forward and discuss with you the further information. But it's very important to join their community. When you join their community, you will be able to get more information regarding Cybpe. But my responsibility is to provide you details and information, because it's for informational purposes. So I will provide you all the detail regarding a Cybpe token. So here you can see, guys, welcome to the revolution. So please don't miss any part of this platform, because in next few minutes I will guide you how basically it works and whether it's perfect or not. So everything will be clear in few minutes. So here you can see, join the most exciting meme-based community on the Solana network. So basically it's on Solana network. So experience lightning fast transactions and meme reward, and connect with the other fans. Get ready to all laugh. And so white paper is given, guys, as we will discuss later on, because white paper is the backbone of any platform. So it's very important to study the white paper and how basically we can move forward. We'll get more information about that. You can see here the notifications are there, and $Cybpe a Solana meme token exclusive presale live. So presale is live, so it's perfect, because at the moment the price is quite acceptable, so you can easily join that. Next, you can see here the discovery about the journey. So these are the detail about the journey, so you can easily visit that and you can study more information about that. So we will check it out, its features, because all the projects has a specific features and reason behind that why they are going to introduce this platform. You can see here that the lightning fast transaction, the first feature is about this project. And next you can see here ultra low transaction fee. So it's mean they're providing you a low fees when you try to swap or buy these token. Okay, next you can see here all information are there. If you scroll on a bit, you can see here engage earn with the memes, and you can see here get exclusive reward by participating in Cybpe meme community with Cybpe tokens. The more you interact and the more you earn, and join the fun, stay on your way to the victory. Okay, next you can see here you can join the Cybpe community and share the latter, and how basically you can share that, so the details are there. And next guys, you can see here the collabs, exchanges, and the listing on top exchanges increase accessibility, so soon it will be listed on major exchanges. So let's see what happen in the future. So why next Cybpe? So basically why you join to Cybpe, it's different than the other meme coins. So these are the details, and you can see here we always looking ahead is a sneak peek at what new Cybpe expands a reward, more ways to earn, redeem reward from your meme creation, strategic partnership, collaboration with others on a project, development with cyber ecosystem, and community driven development, implement feature, and you can see here individually based and the community feedback, exclusive even virtual potentially a real world event and cyberpunk holder. So these are the benefits you can get. Okay, next you can see if you scroll down a bit, you can see here the details are there guys, and you can approach the team. Once again, I'm requesting you, please don't miss to join their community. It's very important to join that community. When you join that community, you will be able to get more information. So once again, I'm telling you that it's not a financial advice. It's your responsibility. It's a matter of your investment. So you have to be careful, because each day hundreds of platforms are launching, and we don't know which one is legend, which one is scam. So it's very important to verify each and everything. So hope so you will visit this platform, you will study that, and after that you will take a decision. So I provide you all the information guys, and if you have any question and queries, so you can join me in the comment section. Okay, join now. How basically you can join that? Okay guys, you can see here their tutor, and at the moment it's early stage, all tutor informations are there. You can go get more information by joining their tutor community and Telegram community. It's very important, and you will be able to get more information regarding Cybpe. And next you can see here the white paper guys. So here the white paper details are there, and you can access the white paper, and you will be able to get more information regarding that. Okay, so I will post all the links in description guys. If you have any question and query, you can approach the team also. Even you can join me in the comment section, so I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding Cybpe. So hope for the best guys. We'll meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.